Good morning. Welcome to IKM Marathi Education Channel. Today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic. When we see an advertisement in newspaper for a job in a big company or MNC company, we are very much eager to know what will be the salary, how much they are going to pay. Sometime back on social media, I saw a post that a HR manager was very much angry that everybody is asking for the salary in the first level, middle level, or final level. So it is wrong. But everybody wants to know the what will be the salary. So we have the answer for this. There is a job evaluation. So in this session, we are going to discuss about definition of job evaluation and methods of job evaluation. Today, first we know what will be the job evaluation, that is job evaluation definition, and in the next class we are going to discuss about methods of job evaluation. So job evaluation definition. Job evaluation is a systematic way of determining the value of a job in relation to other jobs in an organization. It is a systematic and formal process that allows human resource department to compare the job to other jobs in the company and in the industry, that is outside the company or in the market. So what is a job evaluation process? Job evaluation process is of making or designing fair pay framework, placing a value for the job or assigning a value to the job, uniformity in designing the wage structure based on the classification of job. The company or HR has to take care that the same post person, same category person should not have the different salary in the company. So they have to take care that there should be a uniformity of pay scale for the category in the company. And the other thing is comparing the job worth with other companies in the industry. So they have to compare the job worth, what is the salary other peoples are giving for the same post. They have to look or consider that how much they are paying. Are they paying more or less salary? And they have to decide as per the company's structure or company's prestige, they are giving good salary to attract the good experienced persons, skilled persons to the company. So these are the process of job evaluation. Job evaluation begins with the job analysis and ends after processing the value of the job for achieving pay equals between the jobs. The job worth of an organization may be determined after collection of information from job analysis. What is this job analysis? Job analysis is a collection of job description and job specification. Job description is what is to be done, where the job has to be done, timings of the job, on which platform the jobs has to be done, etc. And in job specifications, the nature of job, that is qualification, experience, skills required for the job. So taking all this information, committee arrange the job depending upon the skills, experience, and the condition of the job to be performed, and the type of responsibility, degree of supervision, stress and risk at the work. And also they consider in order of importance, that is position and post in the organization, that is hierarchy. So with this we understand job evaluation tries to assess the job but not the people, and they assign value to the job. Job evaluation is very crucial and invasive process. It is very crucial process. Human resource department has to be careful while doing job evaluation. They have to consider and mitigate the effect on the employees and trade unions. HR should have good relation with the employees and trade unions to convince them on the effect of the job evaluation, that is pay framework, pay scale structure, to avoid any dispute or conflict later. So, job evaluation is a very important and crucial, tough job that human resource department has to be careful. If they do not pursue the employees, or if they are not take the trade unions into the confidence, they may face conflicts and disputes. So further, pay scale does not fix the salary, but it merely provides a basis for evaluating a wage structure. It evaluates a wage structure. So we again think that who is going to design the relative pay structure? So actually the structure is designed by the committee. First, the top management or CEO enters the job to do the job evaluation. Then a committee is formed to do the job evaluation. They take the job identification, nature of job from job analysis, and the committee decides on which job evaluation method they are going to do the job evaluation. There are so many methods of job evaluation. Some of them are ranking system, grading system, point system, the factor comparison system. So they have to choose one of these methods or techniques to do the job evaluation. So in the next class, we are going to discuss about these methods, how to do the job evaluation. So for this class, we thank you for listening us. Thank you.